Welcome to Road to Riches, your guide to building wealth, one book at a time. Today, we're exploring a timeless classic that every investor should read, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, this book is packed with insights to help you make smarter financial decisions. Let's dive in. A Random Walk Down Wall Street is all about understanding how the stock market works and why trying to beat it is often a losing game. The core idea? The efficient market hypothesis, which says that stock prices reflect all available information, making it nearly impossible to consistently outperform the market through timing or stock picking. Instead of trying to outsmart the market, Malkiel recommends a simple, low-cost strategy index fund investing. By investing in broad market index funds, you can match market returns over time without the stress of picking individual stocks. One of the most fascinating parts of the book is how Malkiel debunks common investment myths. He explains how speculative bubbles like the dot-com crash or the housing crisis happen when emotions like greed and fear take over. Spoiler alert, timing the market rarely works. Malkiel also introduces the concept of life cycle investing, adjusting your portfolio as you age to balance risk and reward. Younger investors can afford to take more risks, while those closer to retirement should focus on preserving their wealth. So, why should you read A Random Walk Down Wall Street? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the stock market or wondered how to invest without losing sleep, this book is for you. It's a roadmap to building wealth the smart way. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just proven strategies that work. That's it for today's summary. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Road to Riches, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more book summaries and financial tips. And hey, if you've read A Random Walk Down Wall Street, let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the road to riches starts with a single step. See you in the next video.